Why does your scanner show the P0070 engine code? What does it mean? P0070 is a diagnostic trouble code for ambient air temperature sensor circuit A. It indicates the PCM has detected a potential issue with the ambient air temperature sensor or its associated wiring. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ambient air temperature sensor. Wiring issues. Connector problems. PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Mini, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.